To add a full-length background image in Google Docs, the easiest way to use the Insert feature, click on it and go to Watermark. Then select the image you wish to use as a watermark. Browse to your computer file. I'm going to use my channel logo as so there it is. It appears as a watermark. And that's how you add a full-length background image to your Google Doc. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.